All right, Bird Trader. So there is a lot of theories currently floating around the community, Twitter, and on YouTube especially, about that this is the bottom of the Bitcoin, this is the bottom of the Bitcoin. But as in the industry, we have a saying that history repeats itself. So let's get into history and get some findings and then try to see how it's going to repeat itself. So right now I'm plotting some weekly moving average that is 50, 100, 200, and 300 on the chart for Bitcoin. And let's try to find some insight. Okay, here is the one which I find pretty interesting right now. This is the all-time high of 2017 cycle, and then it went down again. This is the 50 and 100 moving weekly moving average cross, and then we really find our accumulation between 100 and 200 weekly moving average. And after that, as we used to say, that we have to see a sudden mass liquidation before we go for a new all-time high in BTC. So we see our sudden mass liquidation from 50 moving average till 300 weekly moving average, and that's really how BTC created its bottom, and that's where you're going to invest for long term holding. So right now we are rejected from 50 moving average. Now we really find our support at the 100 moving average. We see a little accumulation here, and then after got rejection from the 100 weekly moving average, we going to fall between 100 and 200 moving average, where we're going to accumulate, then we're going to rise up, and then we see a sudden liquidation maybe from the 50 moving average to this 300 weekly moving average, and that's where BTC gonna make its bottom, and that's the sign when you going to buy and hold it for a new all-time high. And there is one another fundamental which I like to highlight in this video, is that after every all-time high, whenever there is a Chinese New Year approaching, we always see a bad market, worst market. So as Chinese New Year is approaching, which is around in Feb, so and we already did our all-time high. So just brace yourself for the worst kind of bearish crypto market again. So that's all.